So now we will see question number 32, which says a box contains cards numbered from 6 to 70. So there is one box which contains cards from 6 to 70. If one card is drawn at random from the box, then find the probability. So we have to find the probability. So the question is from probability chapter, and there are three sub questions. So find the probability of that the card is having a perfect square number, okay, a number divisible by 5, and an odd number which is less than 30. So these three questions we need to solve here. Now, first what we will do is, first we will understand that how many total cards we have in the box. So they are saying that the box has cards from 6 to 70. So 6 to 70 means the total cards are actually 65 cards. Okay. So if you start counting from 6 to 70, the total will become 65 cards. So now we will see the first question, first sub question. So what is the probability that the card will have a perfect square number? So perfect square, perfect square, and the cards are from 6 to 70. So 6 to 70 means 3 threes are 9 is a perfect square number, then 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25, 6 six are 36, 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64, and 64 is the last number, before 70. So these are the numbers which are perfect squares. So how many such numbers we have here now? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total we have 6 perfect square numbers. So these are 6 numbers, right? So these are 6 numbers. So the probability of a perfect square is how much? Okay. So how we find the probability? Probability of the card is a perfect square. So the formula is favorable outcomes upon total outcomes, right? The formula is favorable outcomes, favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Favorable outcomes upon total, we can say. Okay. Now, so favorable outcomes are how much? 6. 6 cards we have here, right? 6. And total is how much? Total how many cards we have? 65. So 6 upon 25 is our answer for perfect square. Now we will see the second one. Okay. Now a number is divisible by 5. Okay. So number divisible by 5. So now the number is divisible by 5 and it should be between 6 to 70. So the numbers should come in 5 stable, right? So 5 ones are 5 we cannot take because 5 ones are 5 is before 6, right? So 5 twos are 10 is after 6 and before 70. So all such numbers we need to take. So 10, 5 threes are 15, then 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, then 30, then 35, then 40, then 45, 50, 55, okay, 55, then we have 55, and then we can take 60, 65, and even we can take 70 because 70 card is there, right? So these are the numbers. So how many such numbers now we have here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total 13 such numbers we have here. 13 such numbers we have. So now what is the probability now? So probability that the number is divisible by 5. So favorable outcomes upon total. So 13 upon 65. So 13 ones are 13 and 13 5s are 65. So further we can simplify it. So 1 upon 5 is our answer. Now we will see the third question. Okay. The third sub question in this one. Now an odd number less than 30. So odd number less than 30. Okay. So odd number less than 30. So after 6 is even. So we have 7, then we have 9, 11, 13, right? 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, and 29 also we can take because less than 30 they are saying. So 30 we have to leave. So all these numbers we have. So how many such numbers now we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 such numbers we have here. So we have 12 numbers. Okay. So the probability is 12 upon 65. So the first answer is for perfect square, first sub question is 6 upon 65. The second answer is 1 upon 5, and the third answer is 12 upon 65. So these are our answers. So this completes our question 32.